Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to push elements left or right with the float property. The next positioning tool does not actually use position, but sets float property of an element. Floating elements are removed from the natural flow of a document and pushed to either left or right of their containing parent element. It's commonly used with the width property to specify how much horizontal space the floated element requires. The given markup would work well as two column layout with the section and aside elements next to each other. Give the hash or the ID left item a float or a float of left, and the right ID item a float of right. So here you've got the left and the right, and so the left and the right correspond with the ID here. The left is here, and so content, good stuff. This is the one that we'll want on the left, and then on the right we have the ID of right, because it's why is it ID right when you look over here? Because of the pound sign, and so we're going to want where it says sidebar and links to be on the right. And to do that, we're going to add a float property with left to the left side, and then on the right we're going to add float to right. And now we see we've got a sidebar and content. So this makes up like a similar look to a lot of the websites that you'll see that maybe are developed on WordPress or blogging websites. And then we'd run the tests and they pass. Great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you thought it was useful. We'll see you in the next one.